Hello students, welcome you back to the third unit of operating system, and we have been seeing non-contiguous memory allocation techniques. We already completed one technique, paging, and one more technique, as we told, is segmentation, which we will see in this lecture. So segmentation is the method of viewing the entire memory in terms of segments. See, any program you take is a collection of segments. A segment is a logical unit. So it can have the main program, it can have a procedure, it can have a function, it can have a method, object, local variables, global variables, common block, a stack, symbol table, arrays, everything. So in the logical address, your one single process can have n number of segments. So the process is divided into the various components as the main program, function, method, object, so on and so forth. Everything put together forms the process. Process is a collection of segments. A program or a process mean the same. So it's a collection of various segments. So this is the logical view. So user space is 1, 2, 3, 4. Like in the previous slide, we saw the various components. Each of them is a segment, and now you are allocating the segments to the main memory, to the physical memory. That is what we are saying. So this segment is going here, second is come here, depending on the size of the memory block. So the architecture will be similar to paging. We'll have a segment number and offset. Again, instead of page table, we'll have a segment table. That again will have a base register and a limit register. Once again, like in our page table, we will have a segment table base register and segment table length register. And it should always be less than this register so that we are able to fit in the page or the information. And once again, here we will be checking for every entry in the segment table. It should always not be illegal. So that checking will have to happen. Just like how we did in the previous one, we will be doing. So the segmentation hardware is similar to this. In our paging, similar to paging, this is also having a limit register, base register, and this is the segment table. So segment number is given. It is going and searching in the segment table. If it is found, then we can move ahead. If it is not found, then it will give an addressing error. So if it is the limit is within the limit, then it will go and calculate the offset address and push it and find out the physical location. Whereas if the limit is not correct, then it will be giving it as an error. So we'll stop here. We have completed the concepts on non-contiguous memory. The next lecture we will be dealing little more in detail about the case studies. And all these memory techniques, we saw the offset, we are finding the physical address, logical address. There are some problems that can be worked out. So all this we will address in the next lecture. Thank you.